और बार बार मायूसी का शिकार होने वाले भारतीय फौज के साबिक अफसर जनरल बख्शी तेजस की तबाही में भी पाकिस्तान का हाथ ढूंढ लाए। दुबई एयर शो की हजीमत छुपाने के लिए कहा कि तेजस के इंजन की फरामी के लिए अमेरिकी कंपनी को $1 अरब कैश दिए, लेकिन वहां से मुसलसल ताखीर जारी है। उन्होंने कहा कि जनरल इलेक्ट्रिक ने इंजन तुर्किया भेजे, लेकिन तुर्किया ने पाकिस्तान की मदद के लिए ये इंजन वापस अमेरिका भेज दिए।
We have paid hard cash. Until now, we've gotten only 2 engines. Arnab, over 2 years have passed. And I don't know why we have still gone ahead and said that we will, for the 1A, also going for the American engine. I thought it was time to change. They have reneged on their promises. They have deliberately tried to slow it down. 3 Apaches were coming to us. They came via Turkey. Turkey stopped them and sent them back because it was apprehensive that maybe a conflict could start with Pakistan, and it was trying to help Pakistan between America and Turkey. I think we might as well now learn to distinguish who are our friends.